let's get to today's question. Can someone teach me email marketing? Welcome to the Online Business Podcast. I'm your host, Mario. I'm the author of 3 books. I did 22 years in the Navy, traveled the world. I mentored teams. I coached teams. I've been in leadership positions. So I got out. I wrote the book. I wrote my first book. It flopped. I learned a lot of things about marketing. That's what got me into digital marketing and online business and stuff, because I started to love playing the game, right? How can I create something? I create something from nothing and I can make money from it. This is great. Give it to me. I would use a visual aid here. I got my whiteboard, but I don't got my camera set up. So we're going to raw turkey this thing. Cold turkey. Sorry, not raw. All right. So email marketing should be automated. The first thing I would do is pick an ESP, an email service provider that's going to deliver a lead magnet, that's going to deliver emails for nurturing. And the goal of email marketing is to deliver value, to ascend them to your next product or to an offer, and continuous nurture. So here's how you do this. You create an asset, a digital asset. That can be an audio book, that can be an ebook, or that can be a physical book, that can be anything. It can be a video series. It can be a worksheet. It can be something that helps them get from one thing and solve a small problem in whatever niche that you're doing. So create a digital asset first. All right. After you create the digital asset in your email service provider, you're going to deliver that asset automatically via email. This is how it works. Somebody sees one of my videos. In the video, I have a call to action and I say, hey, if you're new to digital marketing and you don't know where to start, I have a book out. It's free for you. It's going to give you all the steps you need because there's so much noise online right now. And I know it can be confusing, but this book is going to simplify it for you. You can save 5 years of time and hours on YouTube, and you can just learn it right here in this book. All right. Get it for free. Go down in the link. That's the first part of email marketing, right? How do they get that? They give me their email address. I deliver that to them. I have a set of emails. They get the book automatically, and then the email starts delivering value. And the first thing I do is I want to build up rapport and trust with them. So in the first email, I'm like, here's your download, and here's some other resources that's going to help you. And I send them to more videos that's going to expand on the things that's in the book. And then after I've built up rapport and I sent them a couple videos, things that can help them start in digital marketing in this particular example, then I say, hey, I've been doing this for a while and I have some strategies, I have some processes that I have done that have gotten me a lot of leads and gotten me some sales. I was able to build a business, and even if it's not that much, I'm able to supplement my income by a little bit. For some people, that means the world. If they could just make an extra $1,000, that means the world to them. So I make them an offer via email. Say, hey, you can get on a coaching call. I've been doing this for a while, and the link is in the description. All right, and this all gets sent via email, and you only have to write it one time. You don't have to continuously reach out to these people. All right. So again, you create a digital asset. You write some pre-written emails. You make an offer. All of this is systematically done, and you do it ahead of time, and then you just send traffic. You send traffic, and then you look at the numbers. And then based on those numbers in your analytics, then you adjust. For instance, if you have an email, let's say you got 5 emails in a series, and you notice that you get 50% open rate and 5% click-through rates, which means that people are opening the email and they're getting your lead magnet, right? And then let's say the next 2 emails, it goes down to 15% or 20%. Then you know that either your subject line is not good, your hook is not good, because that's what is going to cause them to open the email. So you can adjust that. That's email marketing really at its core, simply. So create asset, deliver the asset, nurture, teach, and provide value. And in my system, you should be creating content weekly, long form content to educate them, create value, to nurture them. Every week when you come out with that piece of content, you send it to your email list. All this works together. Even if you have nothing to sell, see, I got notes here. Even if you have nothing to sell, every week you should be creating content, and each week you send an email with the link to that content. Now, when you get an offer, then in the PS or in one of the emails, you can say, hey, I got this new course. Or if you're working on one, you can even tell your email list that When you deliver that content weekly, you can say, hey, I'm working on this course. I wanted to know if you'd be interested. Can you give me some feedback? All right. Just an ideas. So hopefully that answered your question about email marketing. That's really all it is. People really complicate this thing, but at the core, that's all it is. It's a set of automated emails that's pre-written that deliver value, that captures email, and that delivers assets and makes offers. That's it. And you move people through that system consistently. Once you find something that works, you throw ads at it. Now, I do have actually a series that I'm coming out with. The first 2 videos are done. It's called Funnel Secrets. And it's all about email marketing, all about what I just talked about, but it goes more in depth. I'll link to that playlist right up here or something like that. Now, email marketing is part of this entire, online business thing. If you want to learn it, in an easy to understand, simple way, then first I got 2 things. You can join the membership. I'll link down to that in the description. And that's just an easy way for you to get started. It's only $20 a month. That's a monthly recurring membership. Or you can jump on a coaching call with me. We can talk for an hour. We can figure out where you want to go with your business and give you a plan to help you start doing stuff that you can implement the next day. All right. And I'll put the link down to that also in the description. I hope that helped you understand email marketing. The next video I do about email marketing, I'll tag you, and it's going to be some visual aids. I'm going to draw on my whiteboard, probably have some stuff to kind of break down how this works, and then give you some examples. All right. Take care. Peace, blessings, and prosperity.